Hello, few days back I learned GitLab, and in today's video I'm going to record my learning curve. In the learning process I opened a GitLab account, then I will show some basic items of the GitLab user interface. Then I will show how to work with multiple GitHub account in local repository. The GitLab is same, that is the remote repository working process. So I have already several accounts to work for my office works. So I will show how to work with multiple GitHub account here in an easy way. I think it's an easy way. Then I will create a project with a simple pipeline, push it to remote. Then I will try to execute the pipeline, but it will not be executed because we have country specific issue for the GitLab account. So what I'll do, I'll customize, I will configure a customized runner using Docker image, and then I can run the pipeline and check Allure report. Yeah, that's it from the introduction. Let us go for the practical. Okay, so opening a GitLab account is quite similar to other website. I came here for gitlab.com, and here it is providing me interface for inserting username password. So I'm assuming that I have no GitLab account. I'm just creating one. So here there is register now button, or you can use your Google account directly from here to redirect you to the GitLab account. So I'm using register now. Then yeah, it will stay. I agree. Then continue. Okay, so it says verification code is clicking on verify email address, so it's completed. I just clicked on next, and the first one I'm using GitLab, just me. Continue like this, and I can create project. I'll just skip this one, inviting others. So this is the home page. If I click on here, it will get me here like all the groups and all the projects that I am connected to. It will be listed here. Then I have this sidebar hiding tool. I can just click to hide and unhide. Then I have this plus button where I can create new project or new group or new snippet directly by clicking here. Then I have this profile button where I can edit my profile preferences. I can sign out it. Here you can see that we have some project enlisted. So if I go for this button, you will see that view all my groups, view all my projects. Here the flow is to create a group, and under that group there will be projects. Here I have only one project, so it is showing that here. If I close new project, it will be enlisted here as well. And then let us go to my project by clicking here, and as you can see here I have two warning signs which are not really important for now, so I'll just close these things. This pinned section. So here if I click this, it will be dissolved, and again if I click this one, it will enlist all the pinned issues. So I don't need this one in my pinned list because I'll not frequently use this item, so I'll just unpin this, and also I'll not use this one frequently, so I'll unpin this. So what things I will use frequently, I will just pin to show here under my pinned item list. My main thing is I will do several things from CI/CD under settings, so I'll pin it, yeah, and then also I'll need the pipelines, and also I will pin my pipeline editor section under pinned area. Okay, I have multiple GitHub account in my local PC because I work in multiple project. So I found a easier way to switch between the GitHub accounts. So here is the process. First, I need the access token from the GitHub account, or in this case I will take it from the GitLab account, and then I'll need the GitHub or GitLab project link. As you can see, the link at the top of the page, and then I will take both the project link and access token and customize a git command, which is git remote set URL, the local repo name, and then the https colon slash slash and then OAuth2 colon and the token that I will get from the GitLab account, and the remaining is at gitlab.com and my project link. So in this way I will use it in my git bash and you will see how it works. Add new token. I'll just name it access token. I'll create the expiration like next month, and I will select all my scopes here. Create personal access token, and I'll just copy it, paste it somewhere. Git bash here, git int, git remote add, GitLab1, then my project, So I have my remote repositories storage in my local. Now what I will do, I will paste one of my project here, one of my GitLab ci.yml file also, so that I can run it. I will execute it here and see the output. So let me try that one. GitLab learn. So here is my project. I just pasted. I have this GitLab ci.yml file, and let us try to push this to the remote. Git push GitLab 1 main. So my project has all my files in the remote repository, and it is also, as you can see, it tried to execute the test case with the GitLab ci.yml file, and it says it has been failed. So why it is failed? Let us click on the stage. Yeah, so it says before you can run pipelines, we need to verify your account. So if you click on the verify my account link, and then I'm providing my phone number, and then I'm saying start the puzzle. You'll have this kind of puzzle, like 4 of flower tubs. Yeah, submit 2 of the mowing machine and 0 of brush and 0 of ABC. Verification complete. Then I would like to receive code in this number. Let me try send code. Yeah, this is the issue, because in my country phone number verification is unavailable at this time. Please verify with a credit card instead. So I am not going to do that. Let me go to my home page. How to solve this issue, right? So just let me close this warning and go to my CI/CD settings. I'll go here in runners, and I will just disable this one, and I will add a new project runner. And how to do that, I'll just show you. Yeah, I am creating a project runner, GitLab project runner, using the Docker image of GitLab runner. So here is the sequence to create a project runner. First, I'll create a volume. in Docker, which will save all the necessary configurations. Then I will place a Docker file in a folder uh, which will be like this one as highlighted. Then I will build the custom Docker image for my GitLab runner through this command. And after the building of the image, I will execute this line as highlighted to run the Docker image, to run a container from the Docker image. And in the fourth step, I'll register the runner by using this highlighted command. And there I will use some parameters like the gitlab.com and enter the token. Where to find the token I will show you in shortly. Then I will enter executor as shell. Yeah, that's it. Let us go to practical. So as you can see, I have already opened my Docker desktop and I have already logged in, and there is no container, image or volumes. I'll go one by one and it will be shown here. So first step is to create a volume. I'll just go to cmd command line and execute the command. It will create a Docker volume. Let me check if, yeah, so there it is, the Docker volume. Then what I have to do, I'll create a Docker file. So I already created the Docker file and pasted it in this location of desktop. So I'll go there and type cmd and I'll execute the command to build the Docker image like this. Okay, so it got started. It will take some time, so let us wait. Yeah, so as you can see, the Docker image is already created. Let us check our Docker desktop. Yeah, my GitLab runner is created. Now what I have to do, in the third step, there is another command. So I will start the container using this image. So let me check if there is any container running. No. So I will just execute my container command. So yeah, there is my container running. Now at the fourth step, I will have to register the runner. So I will execute this command. So the first parameter it is seeking is https gitlab.com. I'll just put it here. Then it is asking for the registration token. So I have to take the registration token from my GitLab's CI/CD. Then there is this runner section, and I will click on this new project runner. Yeah, so provide some tag like demo runner, and you must click on this run untagged jobs, because if I do not provide the tag inside the pipeline, this demo runner tag inside the pipeline, it will not take this runner. So that's why I will check mark this one to run the untagged jobs as well. And the remaining things, let us skip this one, these things, it will stay as it is, and I will click on create runner, stay it as Linux, and then here it is. As you can see here, the token says the registration code. I will just paste it here and press enter. Now it seeks a name for the local PC as well. I'll say demo runner here, or any other name as you wish. Then here I'll just put shell. Yeah, so it's saying runner registered successfully and configuration was saved here. Okay, let us go to our runner page. Runner created, and you have registered a new runner. So this message will appear if I register it successfully. Let us go to the runners section. And you can see that there is a runner here. Earlier it was blank. So this runner is configured with my GitLab account, and the runner is actually this Docker container. Now let us try to execute our pipeline. Let us check our pipeline first. Here is gitlab.gitlab-ci.yml file, which is stating the pipeline. Here I used the image Maven 3.8.5 OpenGTK 17. Then there are 3 stages: build, test, deploy. So the build job is only to Maven clean package. Then the test job is executing the test and saving the Allure result in this path as artifacts. And then I have this pages stage, which is going to show the Allure report in GitLab page. Okay, so let us try to execute this pipeline. Before executing the pipeline, check your project, then go to deploy and pages. Here is a get started with GitLab page. So this is a default page. That means we haven't executed our pipeline yet. After executing the pipeline, the link to the Allure report will be shown here. Okay, we'll go to pipelines, new pipeline, again new pipeline. So the pipeline started. Let us wait for some time to finish the task. So okay, so as you can see, all the stages have been passed successfully. And another thing is, we can open each job to see the log of that job sequentially, what has been done through the job here. Okay, then what is interesting part in our case is we will go to the pages job, and then we'll see that there is a link for the Allure report. Yeah, so here it is, and we'll click on this link. This will redirect us to the Allure report page. Yeah, it is getting redirected to here. As you can see, the steps are also here. And the other way to get the Allure report, if the link is not working, is you can use this browse button here and go to the public folder and go to this index.html. Yeah, it will show you the link to the Allure report. And another thing, if we are on the project here, if you go to deploy and then pages, you'll see that there is this link of the Allure report. That's it. Thank you.